Hey there, my name is Anu from NexGi and today we are going to talk very interesting topics, the coupon feature in WooCommerce. So in this video we are going to take the overview part, means we will just go through how to create a coupon code and what are the possibilities. In next upcoming 2-3 videos I will show you some example case that we use in our daily life to run our clients campaign. It's very good if you want to convert your existing customer or new customer, or you're running some Facebook or Google PPC campaigns through Google Merchant or some direct keywords, so you can give some additional value and increase your conversion of your sale. So let's get started. So I am in the dashboard of my WooCommerce or WordPress. So you simply have to go in the WooCommerce and then you have to click on coupons. Once you are on the coupons, you will get the screen something like this. Then you have to click on the add coupon, and in add coupon you will get lots of options. So first of all, the most important part is coupon code. So coupon code is the coupon which will be applied by the user. So it should be simple, meaningful. Let's say get 100. So it means we want to give some 100% discount or some 100 rupees discount, and you can add some additional details. User will get coupon code. So next option, in general setting, you get what type of discount you want to give, because this is just a name. WooCommerce wouldn't get what you mean. So you have to define your coupon according to the value. So on the list of, we are going to give percentage discount, fish basket discount, or fixed product discount. So if you click on the product, you'll get the what is the amount. So if I'm saying amount is 10 rupees or 100 rupees, and you want to allow free shipping, we don't want to allow free shipping on this, and we want on the based of the basket, whatever the value of the cart, user will get 100 rupees discount on that. What is the expiry date of the coupon? Let's say we are running month-end campaign, so we have set the coupon will expire on 31st May. Now you can restrict the usage, like minimum spend. If user is purchasing minimum amount of 1000 rupees or maximum amount of 5000 rupees, then user will get this particular 100 rupees discount. So how user can use? If we tick this options, user cannot use with other coupons. Like, see what will happen. There is lots of coupons you are running simultaneously on your website. So how this coupon can be used? Because see, you somewhere you are giving this free shipping, somewhere you are giving the 100 rupees discount, somewhere you are giving 500 rupees discount on multiple combinations. So if user has applied this particular coupon, so other coupon will not applicable. So it's the good option, because it may you are running lots of coupons at a time, so user can apply only one at a time. Then exclude from the sales item. If you're running already some sales on your some products, and already you are giving some 50% discount or 30% discounts, and user can also get this. So we are excluding, like these coupons are not available on the sale items. Then you can add the products, like on specific products you want to run, or you can exclude some products because it may possible, like there are few products which are already around 100 rupees or 50 rupees, and you are also giving this particular discount, so you can exclude those products. You can exclude those categories also, include or exclude, like on a particular specific category based coupons you want to run, then you can. And this is the allow emails. Like you can restrict, you have some customer base. This is most advanced feature. If there are few customer which regularly buys from you, and you want to send them specifically coupon to them, like there are 10 customer who regularly buys your product each month, and on the next month you want to give them an additional value, like then you can add their emails over here, and the coupons will be only applicable on those emails once they buy. And there is a usage limit, and usage limits per coupon, how much usage, and usage limit per user. Like each user can use one time, and you can set limit only this coupon can be used 100 times. So if you're running some campaigns like first 100 users will get this offer, So this is kind of that. So I'll explain you the next videos in the use case in I'm going to discuss. So I'm just publishing this particular discount right now. So I just did this, and if I'll open the website, the fancyfista.com, and I haven't restricted on any product or something, so it will be applicable on each one, not on those like these are already discounted products or already in sale, so we are not, that coupon is not covering these values. So this it will be applicable. So I'm going on this, I'm adding this particular product in the basket. I'm going in the view basket, and here I can apply the coupon code. So I'm writing get 100 and apply this particular coupon code. So it's saying the minimum spend to apply this coupon code should be 1000, as we have updated this particular criteria while creating the coupon code. So what we can do, we can just, for the testing purpose, we can increase the quantity and we can update the basket. So right now my cart value has become from 229 to 2290. So now right now I am eligible to apply this particular coupon code. So I am applying particular coupon code, and you can see the coupon get 100 has been applied, and now my cart value is different, and there is a shipping automation, like I have integrated as shipping flat charges of 500 rupees. So this is the shipping charge. If I have updated on the free shipping, if someone apply this particular coupon, then free shipping should be allowed. So this 500 also I can give additional value to my customer to encourage that customer to purchase it. But anyways, this is the concept of the coupon overall. So in the next video we are going to see a real example use case that you can use in your real life to run a campaign and get more sales conversion. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.